You can make $100 every single day utilizing this very simple strategy. Not many people are doing this stuff, and the thing is that this strategy really works in 2021 as well as in any country in the world, so you can do it absolutely worldwide. The thing is that before we jump into the strategy and I reveal all the secrets to you, just smash the like button as well as the subscribe button. This gives us some more motivation to make more awesome videos for you, and it helps us reach more people on YouTube just like you who are interested in making some good money online. So let's get started into the video. This website is trusted by Walmart, Capitalist, Facebook, Domino's, and all the big companies of the world, and you could be working on this website. And keep watching this video till the end, because in the end I am going to reveal to you one more website where you can do the same thing which you are doing on this website and make extra more money by working on two of these websites. Okay, so you can see all these awesome big companies, even Grammarly and Domino's are trusting this company to make their money, and you could be a part of this company. You just have to do very simple things. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop for yourself, which you may be probably having, and a small internet connection, and you could really start getting paid from this money. Okay, so you can see they are having a lot of customers, and it is really very easy for you to start. Okay, you can just get paid to test. Okay, this is one of the best thing, is that you will get paid to test. Now let's just click and let's see what you need to test to get. So you can see the website is user testing, and I am going to show you one more website. Okay, so just don't skip the video, just keep watching. So you can see top brands are working for this website, and you just need to sign up for it. Okay, take tests and get paid. What is the testing? The testing is that they will provide you some website, or they will provide you some mobile application which you need to test and check it out. How is it, what is its user experience? For example, I am just checking out this website. Like, this is a website which is user testing. It looks really good, the text is almost readable, but there is some problem here. I cannot see what is there written over here. In this way, you just have to see the entire website or the mobile application, use it, and just provide your genuine experience of what you felt about that website, or what you felt about that mobile application is what you have to tell to this platform, and you will be getting paid for this. And the thing is that it pays you very well. You can easily make some very good money out of it. And the best thing is that all these people, you can see they have been working with user testing, and you can read that they are having very good experience, as well as there is a contact team on this website which will always be in contact with you and guide to you of how you can work with this and start making money. And the thing is that the biggest companies in the world do trust this website, so there is a great chance for you to be a part of it and make some good money online. Okay, so this is the first website. Just go and you can just provide your email and apply here for user testing, and just start doing this stuff and make money online with this. And this website 100% works in 2021. That is the best thing. As well as you can see there are a lot of things, and you will be getting paid to test websites, and they pay really well. Okay, that is the best thing about this website. Now let's go to the second website. Now the second website is also one of the one. Okay, and it also, you just have to provide the same thing. You just have to test some websites or just some mobile applications, as well as different simple softwares. You just need to watch, you just need to just see that and just provide your honest. And you can see all this are their clients: Washington Post, Coca-Cola, Verizon. All this really big companies really trust this website also, and you can just work with this website also. Okay, it is known as Userlytics. Now this is the same thing which you just have to do like what you did in the previous website, which is user testing. You just need to sign up for this website and start providing your service on this website. There is a thing that you can do. Okay, so you can see that you can do all this user research, and the thing is that you can also be a part of this website and just you can see filter your user persona, create your test, as well as you can also create your test. But that is not the thing which we want to do. You can just come to this website, get testing and start earning money with it. That is one of the best thing which you can do about this website, and this is something which is really awesome. Okay, so you can see, you can just here go and click on over here, which is tester sign up. Okay, you just need to click on this tester sign up, and then you can see you can be getting paid money. You will be earn money. Okay, register and earn money, a short and easy form, and join our global community of testers. Okay, so you can see the either type digital assets and other thoughts, emotions as loud as you can. Okay, so you get paid via PayPal. Okay, and you can see you could get paid 5, 10, 15, $20 for a test. Okay, and you can see you can get some projects which pay $90 for having fun and expressing your opinion navigating this website. Just click on this sign up button, and you just need to provide your information. That is the basic information which every website takes. Okay, like your email, your password and all that stuff, and you can start earning money with this website. They also have a very active contact team, and they will also guide you every way, as well as they are having mobile applications which are available on Google Play Store as well as Apple's App Store. So definitely start working on these two websites which really pay you good money on internet in 2021. And if you really enjoyed the video, then just smash the like button, because it will give you 100 years of good luck. Okay, and we'll be coming out with more and more this type of awesome strategies which help you to make money online. So just gently press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Okay, see you in the next video.